All right, so what's going to happen is we're gonna talk about the chart. Then we're gonna jump into some news, guys, and then once we finish the news, we'll get into a Q&A, and I'll start asking some questions. So, first of all, a lot of YouTubers out there were talking about how this weekend, this Sunday in the U.S. was going to be really bad, and there was going to be a real big bloodbath, and things are really going to go down. So, I'm happy to say that things are not as bad as they predicted. So that's really good, right, guys? Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So right now you can just see on the chart this red triangle has just formed, and what that means is that there's now a downward trend. So you can see that we have this descending triangle here. This is the support line here around about 27.7. That's a support line area there. And then we have the descending triangle. Now, yesterday we broke out of that, so that was really good news, right, guys? And so we're about to end the 21-day here. So it's Monday in the U.S. It's Sunday in the U.S. and then Monday is also a holiday. So we're really going to see some low volumes. Now, keep in mind that when we have low volumes on the exchanges, we can see it's easy to push things up or down. So we can see right now, if we go to crypto.com, we can see, let's take a look at the volumes. Right now we've got 10,159 cryptos in total, and our market cap is 1.5 trillion, and the market cap is actually up 2% compared to yesterday, so that's pretty good, guys. That's positive news. But if we look at the volumes overall, our volumes are actually a little bit low. So let's take a look at the total market capitalization and the volumes. Okay, here we go. So the volumes have come down a little bit. We can see that Bitcoin dominance is actually going down really good. So that's good because we need Bitcoin dominance come down before we can see Dogecoin really pump. So I'm still pretty bullish. Overall we can see that Bitcoin is down in 24 hours about 0.37. Ethereum's up, guys. ADA's up 6%, so that's really good. XRP's up. Doge is also up, so Doge is faring better than Bitcoin. So overall, things are okay, but we really got to keep an eye on the chart. Monday is a holiday in the U.S., so we're going to see really slow volumes, right, guys? So just keep an eye on things. I really believe that we've got some really big announcements coming out. We've got the Coinbase thing that's happening. So I believe that Elon has been really quiet recently. I mean, he had a tweet that came out about 4 hours ago. We'll talk about that, but he's been really quiet in terms of tweeting on Dogecoin. And I believe that what's going to happen is once Dogecoin is listed on Coinbase, we're going to see Elon Musk make the announcement that Tesla is accepting Dogecoin. Now, one of my subscribers, Jeffrey G, he made a comment, and I think he could be right to some respects. And the comment was that, Elon Musk has been talking to his community, his friends. Remember, Elon Musk is a billionaire, right? So he's going to have a lot of friends that are powerful people, rich people, CEOs of institutions. And I think behind the scenes, a lot of his friends have been accumulating a lot of Dogecoin. So I believe that once the Coinbase is listed, we're going to hear 3 announcements. Okay, guys, please smash the likes. We've got 83 people in the house and only 17 likes. Please smash the likes. This will tell YouTube that you guys like the stuff and drive more people into the channel. So please smash the likes. So I believe that we're going to hear 3 announcements in June. One, we're going to get the Coinbase listing. And when that happens, the Coinbase effect, that will give us about 91% increase, okay? So that's a done deal. If we look at the Coinbase effect, here, I'll search it for you guys. You guys can take a look. Coinbase base listing effect. Okay, so and this is true, guys. Once we get the Coinbase listing, Coinbase effect means average 91% token price gain in 5 days. So we're going to get the Coinbase listing at about the same time as a Coinbase listing, maybe 1 day after or 2 days after, but definitely within this 5-day span. We're going to have Elon Musk come out and he's going to say that Tesla is accepting Doge for the purchase of a Tesla. Okay, so what do you guys think that's going to do to the price? That's going to definitely drive up the price. And then at the same time, I believe some of the friends of Elon Musk who are, owners of large institutions who have been accumulating Doge, they're going to also make announcements, particularly those institutions that are into that sell retail products. Guys, please smash the likes. We've got 106 people in the house and we've got 47 likes. So remember, I talked about earlier is that the dev team is testing and working with 2,000 different retailers of Fortune 500 companies to deploy a payment system for Doge so people can use Doge to buy their products. And this is on the test net. So what I hear is that so far the test is successful and things are working okay. So could some of these Fortune 500 companies be Elon Musk's friends? I would say yes. You guys, leave a comment if you believe what I'm saying is true. So we can see that there's a major catalyst coming, the Coinbase listing, and the Coinbase listing is 91% increase. All right. Second, Elon Musk is going to announce that Tesla will accept Dogecoin. Then there's going to be Fortune 500 companies, particularly those who are in the retail space, and they're going to say that they are either accepting Doge, have bought Doge, or are working with the devs to allow you to purchase their products via Doge. So if this thing happens, what do you think is going to happen to the price of Dogecoin? You think it's going to go up? You think it's going to go down? It's going to skyrocket. So Elon Musk is intentionally being quiet now, because if he keeps tweeting and tweeting and tweeting and tweeting, then the impact is going to be less. So also too, we talked about the Ren bridge, right? Remember we talked about the Ren bridge? We had some Ren bridge. Okay, remember 4 days ago I talked about the Ren bridge? Okay, and the first Ren bridge VM now live. And then with the first Ren bridge, bridging assets to Polygon using Ren bridge. I talked about this earlier in a video, and that now that you will be able to buy and sell and transfer and exchange Doge using Polygon network. Okay, so you'll be able to. We will have Ren BTC on Polygon, Ren BCH, Ren Digibyte, and Doge. Okay, so all of these coins will be supported in exchange on Polygon. So this is also really good news, right? And then this will help us this will also lead us down the road to smart contracts, which are coming. Okay, so and then last week we had a major convenience store in the US that accepted Dogecoin. Okay, remember I talked about that. So just imagine you go to a convenience store, you go to and you want to buy a coffee, or you want to buy something that's under $10. And if you look at the average price of things in a convenience store, you're not going to use you're absolutely not going to use Bitcoin, because the fees on Bitcoin are high and the speed is low. So just imagine you're just imagine. You go to a convenience store. You go to buy a Coke. Okay? So you have your phone, they scan your QR code to pay. And because Bitcoin is congested, you don't want to have to wait there 15 minutes, right? 5 minutes, or even 3 minutes for the transaction to complete, sitting at the cash register waiting, right? So absolutely, Bitcoin is not going to be the crypto that people are going to be using in a convenience store to buy a Coke. Second, Ethereum. If we look at Ethereum right now, if we look at the Ethereum gas fees right now, the gas fees are still pretty high, all right? And it's not cost effective. So what are the alternatives? Well, I believe that Doge is definitely the coin that we're going to be looking for doing smart transactions, okay? So because Doge is fast, it's cheap, so Dogecoin will be the coin of the future in terms of a digital currency, not only for the US, but for mankind. So I really think that this is going to be coming, guys. So I think June is a big catalyst. We're going to have a lot, and if you look at the history, we have been building up to this. There's been a build up to this point. And I think June, when these things come out, we're definitely going to get to the moon. All right, guys? Okay, so guys, please smash the like. I got 166 people watching. I only have 66 likes. So please smash the likes, guys. I really would appreciate that. Then that will tell YouTube algorithm that you guys like the content. It'll push it out more. Then we get more people, and then we can spread the message and spread the news. Okay. So this is really going to be, as Carl H just said, summer of Doge. This June is going to be the catalyst. June is what's going to take Doge to the next step. So definitely the summer is the time for Doge to go to the moon. Woof woof, Doge going to the moon, guys. So I'm really excited. You should be excited, and we're definitely going to get there. All right, guys. So let's take a look. Elon Musk today, he had a tweet. All right. So Elon Musk working on this new Doge user case. So Elon Musk had a tweet today. All right. So, Blockfolio is a place where you can send your crypto and earn interest. So Blockfolio was talking about a hot tub that is heated by mining Dogecoin, and Elon Musk, I don't care how, just make it happen. So Elon said, great idea. So what this really tells us is that Elon Musk is still very much into Doge. He's watching every tweet that's coming out, and he is engaged. All right. So this is really important that you guys need to know that Elon Musk is still heavily engaged. So Elon tweeted this out, about 4 or 5 hours ago. Okay. So we can still see that despite, the crypto crash that was supposed to come that didn't come. And remember, there's been so much FUD out there, and everyone was talking about, crypto's over, the crypto crash is coming, and everything is going to be, well, it didn't happen, right, guys? So once again, don't listen to the FUD. Don't get trapped by the FUD. And remember, investing is not about making a quick buck. If you guys think that you can just buy crypto and suddenly a month later be a millionaire, that, wake up. It's not Disneyland. Investing in crypto, it takes patience, it takes time, it takes research. And one of the things is that you need to understand how much pain are you willing to take. What I mean by pain is, do you have the fortitude to hold and have diamond hands when things drop 20%, 50%, 60%? And this is not uncommon in the crypto space for things to go up, consolidate, drop, and pick back up again. So, I'm really excited because I really see that this whole, it's the end of crypto, the crypto winter's coming, all of this stuff. It's not happening, and we're going to really see that the institutions are bought in, And what we can see here is that the institutions, they were fighting. We had Jamie Dimon and all of these people were spreading all this negative news. Because remember, people like Jamie Dimon, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Carl Icahn, they can pay reporters and news outlets to, in fact, write articles that are slanted in one way. You know, the slant would be crypto's no good, it's high risk, la la la. And what they do is they do that for one reason only. They do that because they want the retail investors, you guys right there, to sell your coins cheap. Remember, if we take all the retail investors and we take that amount of capital that you guys hold, you guys actually hold more of the capital than the institutions. So together we're a very big, powerful force. Look what happened with Wall Street Bets and AMC and GameStop. The power of the people were able to stop the institutions from short selling those stocks. Okay, so that's why you can see today, despite all the FUD, you can see that the retail investors didn't panic over the weekend. They came back strong. And look, guys, we have a lot of old, and remember, old coins going up is driven mainly by two things: Bitcoin price and retail investor sentiment. Okay, and if you look at all the alts today, all the old coins, they're up, right, guys? We're seeing a lot of green. We're seeing much more green than red. So it means that confidence is coming back into the market in terms of the altcoin space, in terms of the crypto space. All right. So what that means is things are going to go up. Things are looking much better than a week ago. A week ago, everybody was panicking, everybody was going nuts, and everybody was going crazy, right? So things are looking much, much better than they were, looking much, much better than they were a week ago. So you guys just need to have patience. You guys need to have diamond hands. And you guys need to stop panicking, okay? Don't be weak Nancy's. Be the Doge army, and we're going to be strong. And definitely, June is absolutely going to be the summer of Doge. With all of these great announcements coming, you guys are going to love it. All right? So that's kind of me covering the news, some of the top stories. So let's get into the Q&A part right now. Let's dive in. Let's get into the chats. Let's answer some of your questions. So, guys, if you've got a question, send me a super chat. I'm very happy to answer it. So I'm just going to take some Coke here because my throat's getting dry. The first thing I need you guys to do, we got 200 people in the house. Welcome, everybody. If you've come late, once again, I just want to repeat for those of you who have just joined that June is going to be the summer of Doge. And we got the Coinbase listing. I believe that once the Coinbase listing comes out, Elon Musk is going to start messaging us and telling us that Doge can buy a Tesla, and then it's going to be a big reveal because I believe that Elon Musk's friends, who are CEOs of big institutions, etc., they've also been buying Doge as well, and he's also going to announce, and they're going to announce that institutions have been buying up Doge. And then we also had the test net that the devs were testing 2,000 retailers for payments, and I think there's also going to be an announcement this is going to be happening as well. So I believe that June is definitely the month for Doge, and you guys need to hold, you guys need to hodl, diamond hands, and definitely be patient because June is going to be the promised land for Doge. June is the promised land for Doge, guys, and it's going to be amazing. We're going to be hitting 65, testing all-time highs, and I believe $1 could be incoming. Okay, so guys, please smash that like. I got 200 people in the house, and let's do it. All right, so let's do some Q&A right now, guys. All right, so any super chats in the house, and then any super chats. Now, someone's asking when smart contracts are coming out. I I know that they're working on that. Smart contracts have been been around a long time. This is not something new, but I believe smart contracts will be a big announcement in June for smart contracts as well. So you can see that everything, the whole ether, the whole revolution here of cryptocurrency is what the internet used to be before. I remember there was this like big explosion of the internet and Google and Facebook and Twitter, and those people that invested in these big companies in the beginning, where are they now? They have untold wealth, right? So this is, hey, thank you for the super chat, appreciate it. So Reggie, thank you for the super chat. So you can see now that this is the beginning of a revolution, and this is a crypto revolution. We're talking DeFi, we're talking NFT, we're talking blockchain adaptability. We're talking there's going to be so many apps and so many things that you're going to be able to do on the blockchain. It's going to change the way that we live. It's going to change the way that we do things. It's going to be similar to where the internet was. Okay, so remember, not too long ago, 30 years ago, 35 years ago, what was the internet? Remember, guys? So this is a revolution. All right. Any more super chats out there? We got 260 people in the house. Please smash the likes, guys. Please smash the likes. Appreciate it. 229 people. Please gingerly take your finger and go down there and smash the like. Smash the like, guys. Okay, so let's get into some questions. Let's see. I got it on. I'm trying to. Okay. So some people are saying, I got Miho Park. They're saying I'm down I'm down. Guys, you just need to have diamond hands. Someone's asking, will Doge hit $10? Not this cycle, guys. But definitely, anywhere from $1 to $3 in 2021 is definitely possible. So I think you guys need to just be patient and hold. Good. Minho Park, what you got to do is you got to hold, okay? You've got to hold. I've been holding forever. And what you guys need to do is you need to buy on the dips. You guys need to dollar cost average. So, when thing goes up and comes down, if you need to buy in and then you hold, okay? So I bought my Doge, 4 million Doge at 0.0025 cents. All right. So we're at 29 cents. So you guys do the math. All right. So you guys need to hodl. Okay, Carlos. Excellent. Hodl. All right. Excellent. So some people up, some people down. You guys just need to hold. Any super chats out there, guys? Any more questions? So you can see that, Doge is going to break out. Doge will be breaking out. June is going to be the summer of Doge, and we're going to see all of these narratives, all of these questions that we've been asking ourselves for a long period of time, they're going to be answered. And when these questions get answered, we are going to see a Dogecoin that is going to definitely go to the moon, guys. All right? So I am feeling very confident. I'm being very positive that things are going to be green. And you can see, look, we're seeing more and more green happening right now. Doge is up 1.22%. So what are we complaining about? You're seeing so much green. You're seeing that, retail confidence in the crypto market is coming back right now. And I think that this is just fantastic. All right. Let's see. All right. Any more questions or super chats out there, and I can answer those questions? Appreciate it. F Riviera's asked me, what about Tron? I don't like Tron. Tron's been around a long time. Really hasn't done much. So, I'm not a big Tron fan. So I personally don't have any Tron. Jenny Shin has asked, can Doge surpass Bitcoin market cap? that's a big question. I would say not right now. I think we need to wait on that. I think time needs to pass before to collect enough data. Hey Marvin, hey, how are you doing, buddy? Joanne, welcome. Joanne, welcome. He's asking, you think Doge will ever have a cap? I remember Doge actually does have a cap. Doge can only mine 5.2 billion coins per year. You guys didn't know that, but there is a yearly cap on how many coins that can be mined. I believe that the devs are probably going to work on that, so there's going to be a total capped amount, and then that will make Doge very similar to Bitcoin, and that it will be, non-inflationary. So that's going to be really good. Someone's asking, will Bitcoin crash to 20K? I'm not sure about that. If it does go down, it will bounce back. You just have to zoom out and on the Bitcoin chart, and you just need to look at where you need to look at it on the 1 month. And you can see that if you look at the linear time frame, you can see that Bitcoin generally is going up and will continue to go up. So, Bitcoin will continue to go up because remember, every year, every time we have a halving, then the amount of Bitcoin that is available becomes less and less. All right. Any more questions? Any more super chats out there? Now someone's asked me when, Brian Trans asked me, when is a good time to buy? Well, I think that, in my opinion, remember this is not financial advice, guys, but in my humble opinion, I believe that, Doge is going to have a very big leg up in June. Right now we are trading around 29.7. We have some resistance here at 32. We have major support down here at 27. So we're kind of range bound right now. We have this big descending triangle. If we drop back below the descending triangle here, it's not going to be good. But I don't think so. I think we could go down a little bit on Monday because it's a long weekend. But I believe that once June comes, we're going to get some big announcements. And this means that we are going to see a big upside for Doge. Yeah. Yeah, we have someone that it says Elon Musk Doge price will be increased from today. Yeah, I don't think that's really Elon Musk because Elon Musk's use of prepositions is better. But hey, everyone's welcome. Hey, Carlos. Yeah, exactly. Now is a good time to buy. Woof woof, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Now is an excellent time to be buying. Pick up while you can because I don't think you're going to see Dogecoin having this much discount in June. So now's a good time to load up if that's what you want to do. All right. Guys, any super chats? Woof woof. I like Doge more than I like XRP. I don't own any XRP, and I have no plans of actually buying any XRP. So that's just, hey, John, thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that, John. Thank you for the super chat. Yeah, my YouTube channel, what I want to do is I want to bring you the news. I want to bring the prices. But also, I want to give you the good vibe, not only for crypto, but for, create a positive vibe so you can start your day feeling good, love the world, hug your wife, kiss your kids. We just need to be more positive because there's so much negativity on the planet right now. We need to be more positive, right, guys? You know, if this year and a half we've dealt with COVID, and that's really sucked, and you know, we all need to heal, and I think we just need to be more positive, because there's a lot of negativity out here. You know, even on the channel, I see a lot of people, they just give negative comments just because they're negative. So I really think that, you know, I just want to create a positive vibe. The other thing I try to do is I try to shoot my videos in different locations. So those people who are kind of on lockdown at home on COVID, at least they can see, you know, some greenery, some ocean, some this and that. You know, I just don't want to do my videos stuck in a studio. It's kind of boring. So yeah, guys, I just try to do something different. People asking when will Doge hit $1. I think June. I really believe in that June is going to be the summer of Doge. If we get all these announcements, Elon Musk and all of this stuff coming out, and the Coinbase, and, you know, adaptability, yeah. You know, Brian Tran's asking if we're in lockdown in Vietnam. Where I am, we're not yet, but parts of Saigon are in lockdown. So, you know, Vietnam has been very lucky with the COVID, but right now it's starting to get bad. It's one of the worst patches that we've had. So let's you know, make sure that hopefully everyone stays safe. But yeah, it's getting bad. I think that, you know, the Coinbase listing should come around about the 10th, between the 10th and 15th of June, I believe. Marvin Marno is asking, check Elon Musk retweet. What is Marvin? What is he retweeting? Let's take a look. Let's see. Let me just refresh. Let's see if there's a retweet. What's it, Marvin? What's Elon Musk retweeting? What is he retweeting, Marvin? Let's see. Elon Musk has retweeted something, according to Marvin. Marvin, can you tell us what he's retweeted on? Make a comment. Let's see. Yeah, you guys just need to be patient, guys. Everybody be patient. Now, according to Marvin, there's been a retweet, but I don't see it. Great idea, hot tub idea. I don't see anything new on there. All right, guys. Hey, Jeremy R. Welcome. Any other super chats or anything in the that you guys have? I appreciate it, guys. Smash that like, please. Appreciate it. All righty. Let's see. Hey, Daryl, how about a shout out from Jack from Virginia, please? Thanks. Hey, Jack. Big shout out to Jack. Jack in the house from Virginia. Welcome to the channel, brother. Hopefully you guys are doing good. So where do you think Dogecoin is going in the coming days? Like I said earlier, I think, you know, June we're going to get a huge number of announcements. We're definitely going to be getting the Coinbase. That's a done deal. You know the Coinbase effect, right? Once a coin is listed on Coinbase, you're going to get 91% token price gain over 5 days. That's a guarantee. Okay, so if you take the existing price where we are now, we're going to get a pump. So if the Coinbase effect happens, the listing when it happens, and then we get the Elon Musk announcement that Tesla is going to allow you to buy a Tesla with Doge, those two events will definitely create enough momentum to take the price much higher. Then I believe that Elon Musk, he's got a lot of influential friends, he's a billionaire, and I think that he's been talking to his friends and telling them to accumulate Dogecoin. So I think there's also going to be an announcement from some Fortune 500 companies that they have accumulated, bought Doge, holding Doge, and that they're building utility, and some companies will allow payments with Doge other than just Tesla. So if all of this happens, it's going to have a monumental effect on price. So I think you guys would all agree with that, right? So people are talking about a new tweet from Elon Musk, but I don't see anything. So if you guys see anything, please share the link right now on the chat. So we got 190 people in the house. Please smash the like, guys. Appreciate it. Ray Bauer, thank you, brother. Love the channel. Enjoy your perspective. How long have you been living expat life? Yeah, I've been an expat since I've been like 23. Lived in Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, Africa, you name it, I've lived it. Yep. Brian, trying to hear a rumor that JP Morgan has been spreading FUD on Dogecoin because they want to load it. Absolutely. You know, JP Morgan, what they do is they spread FUD. You know, Jamie Dimon, he spread FUD about Bitcoin to drive the price down. They're accumulating. So when people start talking smack about this coin or that coin, it only means one thing: they're going to accumulate. Okay, that's what it means. That's all it means, guys. So you guys need to, you know, be very mindful that when people are spreading FUD, whoever's spreading FUD, they're actually doing the opposite. Okay, so you guys need to understand the way that you time your buys and sells is very simple. When everybody is fearful in the market, that's the time to buy. When everybody's overjoyed and euphoric in the market, that's the time to sell. Very simple. And if you follow that, you will, always be successful. All right. Is there any more super chats in the house? Any big questions? Any big questions? Watching on the bus in Mexico. Keep up the good work. Hey, thanks, Pierce. Zach Gloser. Yeah, you know, the FUD spreaders. Remember, people are spreading FUD because they want to drive the price down. They want to buy cheap. That's all. You know, but the problem is a lot of people hey, thanks, Kathy. But, you know, a lot of people in the retail, like, you know, retail investors like you and me, there's a lot of people who panic. And remember, the power of the retail investor is big, because if we look at the total amount of money that we own as a collective, it's larger than the institutions. And the institutions know that. And the only way to get our coins is they scare us. You know, they create these doomsday scenarios. And they create FUD, and what they want is they want the paper hands to dump their coins cheap so they can get in and buy them. And remember, institutions, they don't buy their cryptocurrency on exchanges, because a lot of people say, oh, you know, if institutions are buying, why is the price not going up? Because they don't buy on exchanges. They buy OTC, over the counter, because they want their buys to be under the radar. You understand? So, and then the OTCs are taking the coins from the exchanges. You understand? So that's how it works. So they want to keep it on the radar. So also too, somebody's asking about reverse FUD. Yeah, the reverse FUD is like this. Just imagine, I'm an institution. I'm Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, okay? This is just an opinion, okay? I pay for someone to do a negative story on Bitcoin. Retailers get scared. Retail investors get scared. They start selling their Bitcoin. And as you have more selling pressure, it drives the price down. So now the price has gone down. Then the institutions go to OTC and they buy the Bitcoin. Now that the institution bought Bitcoin or Dogecoin or whatever coin, what happens now is they also pay people to write positive spin articles. And then retail investors see all of this positive news, they get euphoric and they think, oh, crypto's going to the moon. And then people start piling in and buying. So this is also reverse FUD, and that also happens. All right. Welcome everybody. Welcome those people that just joined in. Welcome. All right. If there's no more super chats or any if there's no more super chats, I'm going to stop the live stream in about 3 more minutes. So any more super chats out there? Yeah, people. Someone's asking, can Dogecoin be shorted? Yeah, yes, it can. There's a lot of exchanges. Most of the main exchanges you can buy and sell on leverage. Okay, and you can buy and sell Doge on leverage. All right. All right, guys. Any more questions out there? Let's check out the chart of Dogecoin. Let's see, Doge is trading at 29.6, so it's kind of going sideways, right? It's just kind of going sideways in this direction. So I don't see anything bad here. I think we're just going to have a consolidation, and then June is going to be the summer of Doge. Someone's asking where could Doge be in 3 to 5 years? I think we could see, anywhere from $3 to $5. Maybe even high as $10. Who knows? It depends on the utility. Depends on how many retailers are accepting it as a value of medium for payments. And remember, Doge and Bitcoin have a lot of things in common. It's a common store value, right? Someone's asking December price for 2020. I don't have a crystal ball. I would say $1 to $1.95. ARK, I don't know anything about ARK. So, I think we really need to break past this 32 cents, and then we have resistance again at 37 cents, and then we have 49 cents. So we got some ways to go, but all we need is that catalyst from Coinbase and Elon Musk, and that will drive it much higher. All right. All right, guys. All right, guys. If there's no more questions, I'm going to end this live stream for now, and I just want to say, woof woof, Dogecoin to the moon. Everyone, be blessed, be healthy. Be safe. Have a great day wherever you are, and enjoy your day off in the U.S. And please show your support for the channel. Super chats are always appreciated. Okay, guys, I appreciate it. Have a great day. Woof woof. This is Daryl. Peace out, guys.